Mikey be comedy. Mikey be comedy.
Just make a figure 8. Hey guys, can you give me a reciprocates? Yeah. My arm is currently broken, so.
Have you got this? Have you got this? He's got yes, figure 8. Good. Now do perfect. He's got the figure 8.
Oh, doing left arm now. No, it's wrist.
Hey guys, we're back. I'm back from place that I went. Yeah, that was the end of that. More will be coming, but next week Monday. Not next week Monday. Yeah, next week Monday. Uploading another video. So stay in touch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace.